How to make money on Facebook. Easy step by step user guide. You may not think of Facebook as new or edgy anymore, but you can't deny its popularity. There are more than 2 billion monthly active users with 1.39 billion activity using on the social network every day. It is no surprise, therefore, the many people and the business try to earn money from Facebook with such a vast potential audience. It makes good sense. It can be challenging though to make money on Facebook because of the Facebook sheer size. It can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. This is the particularly the case now that the Facebook only shows the selections of posts in a person's feed. In fact, it is appropriate that the status are you lovingly craft and upload to your business page will not yield more than 2% of your followers. Every time somebody opens their Facebook feed, the Facebook goes through 4 steps to decide which post it will show that person. Inventory examines all of the recent status shared by the person, friend, and pages they follow. Signals it can take are to range of the signals based on users' past behavior. These include who made the post, the average time spent on contact, post engagement, tagging, and comments, how informative the post is, and many other signals. A significant signal from a money making point of view in the ways for from people as being more important than the post on the page is prediction. Thus, the signal attempts to the guess how the user will react to a particular story. Will they share it, comment on it, read it, and ignore it? Score the algorithm generates a relevant score from each post based on the signals and its prediction. When Facebook assembles a person's view, it only shows the post with the highest relevance scores. We have previously shown you on Instagram, which is Facebook operates a similar scheme in how to build the Instagram algorithm without actually cheating. How to make money on Facebook. Selling items in the Facebook marketplace or a we have previously shown how Instagram, which Facebook owned, operates a similar scheme in how to build the Instagram algorithm without actually cheating. How to make money from Facebook step by step. Selling items in the Facebook marketplace or Facebook buying sell from Facebook fan page operates a Facebook group in an ad suggested Facebook sales funnel influencer marketing on Facebook. Are you just a business an influencer or just ordinary person? Facebook is primarily a social network and place where people can hang out and socialize and share things of common interest. This is one of the reasons why it gives from the so much personal account a higher weighting than post for on a page. Business always have to bear in this mind. It will always be easier from to spread their word on Facebook than it is for companies, but it's not quite as a clear cut as that. If a person only has a small number of Facebook friends, they will be unable to spread the word very far unless they are able to share content so profound that people share it multiple times over and becomes viral. On the other hand, if a person can attract a considerable numbers of the supporters and then engage with them on a regular basis, they will find that their posts will appear in uh, many people's feed. So the best way to ensure that the people hear what you have to say to build us your support base up in the extent that they consider you are influencer. When you reach that point, it can easy to make money from Facebook. Business accounts should not be ignored. However, if businesses operate their accounts well and share quality content on a regular basis, Facebook will recognize their efforts and increase their visibility scores. And then, of course, there is a Facebook advertising which can help on an extra post to reach the post. We have recently looked at how much Facebook ad cost. The true cost of running Facebook ads. Build your audience first. The whole reason that influencers are successful on Facebook is that they have already gone through the process of building a following. You need to build up your expertise on Facebook by sharing a string of excellent posts, interesting links, images, and updates. To really succeed as an individual, you should build up the area of the interest where you come become recognized as an expert. While business may choose to influencers to market for them, they will probably also want to build up some form of Facebook presence themselves. Over time, they can use it to help people recognize them as the experts in the Starbucks has shown that the their page is 37 million followers. The primary goal of the Facebook fan page should be provide a place where people get how to know if they like your content. They will want to respect you in time. That means they will trust you, and ultimately they are likely to be happy to spend money to buy something from you. Selling items, the Facebook Marketplace or Facebook Buy or Sell group, depending on your location, you will see a wide variety of goods and services for sale on the Facebook Marketplace. These are the listed categories ranging from home and garden through the vehicles, bikes. A Facebook user a Facebook user can select the graphic label which is the product and sale. For instance, you can set it to display goods for sale with a fixed distance of your home. You can also filter by price. You could earn some money by placing spare goods on the Facebook marketplace. You may have to enter into negotiation with people, so be sure to keep in mind the lowest price which are you willing to sell. Similarly, there buy and sell groups on Facebook in the most regions. You can make posts selling your sport goods in the group. They often have a common core of members and therefore suffer less haggling from people trying to get a bargain. Sell from Facebook fan page. Many businesses discover that this can be tricky. It is not easy to build a higher, if not even relevance score for your page post to appear in your followers news feeds. Therefore, to make money from the Facebook your fan page, you need to create a share contact that people is regular basis. Her Facebook selling formula: be useful, be authentic, and big Facebook sales.